Today we will be looking at Google Docs or Google Documents. Here we'll know how to create a Google document and how to interact or create Google Documents. Google Documents is the one place where you can be able to create your letters, create your documents, and be able to save them in real time without having to go to your PC again to access these documents, because they will be saved in your Google Drive. Google Documents is very easy and it is similar to Microsoft Word. So quickly, let me show you how to create a Google Doc. So you'll go to the Google Drive. In any folder that you have created, we'll be going to the staff contracts folder that we created earlier. So we'll click on New, and then click on Google Docs. It's going to open a new untitled document. An untitled document, wait for it to load, and you'll now see a blank page that doesn't have any information, and you can add something to it. So the first thing is just you put the title of the document. You can put any title depending on what you want. You can say this one, for example, this one I am trying to get, when I'm changing the title, maybe I can call this document, let's say this is my stuff, for example, my stuff list. So it's just a list of the stuff. So quickly you go to the blank page and you type 1. So my first staff name is Achieng. Second staff name is John. Third staff name is Grace. The other one is Francis. And after that, after you have been able to come up with the list, now this list, you can always access it at any point when you want. And in case you have anything that you have made a mistake, Google Docs will always notify you by drawing a red line below that word that has a problem. For example, if I was to write the word contract that way, and then I misspell it, and instead of writing contract, I write CNTRACT. So that way, this word will have a problem. It's a misspelled word, but you will realize that it will have a red underline below it that is wavy, a wavy line below it that is red. That tells me that that word has a problem. So I'll check in and see what is the problem with the word, and I realize I haven't put an O after the word C, after the letter C rather. So after I do that, I'm not going to have the wavy line anymore. That is how to work with Google Docs. It's very easy, automatically saved. You don't have to go back to it again to save it. And when you close it, you will find it in your Google Drive folder in the staff list. So you realize there is a new document that is called My Staff List after you created. That is how to create a Google Docs. See you in the next video.